The Applicator training program offers the tips and tricks so that you are prepared for a successful install. While that presentation is still fresh in your mind, we're gonna go into our demo training area and we're gonna apply the products per that presentation.
Sherwin-Williams is getting bigger, their catalog's growing. Having an overview of these product lines and what's available is just a huge heads up.
I've learned a lot about the epoxy systems and polycrete. I didn't even know there was that many systems.
This training has definitely opened my eyes out on so many products that are out there, and it helps us to make better decisions and just to go to a one-stop shop, and definitely that's Sherwin.
For the Applicator training program, we'll have everybody from end users to architects to general contractors, from laborers, estimators, so we get a good melting pot of personalities and different diverse backgrounds. It gives an opportunity for different businesses and different contractors to interact with each other.
Everybody's just helping each other out how to grow.
Compared to the last epoxy course that I took, this was a lot more in-depth and very informative.
It gives you a good understanding into the epoxy systems.
I've learned the proper way to mix and all the different systems that Sherwin-Williams provides and offers.
Sherwin-Williams, Rob, APT Training Center was phenomenal. Every day we learned something new, and I've been doing this 4.5 years.
At the end of it, they're not just walking away with a certificate, they're walking away with a name, a face, and a number, so a resource. We want our contractors to be successful. Their success is our success. So ultimately, it's a partnership. They are an extension of the brand. We want the Sherwin-Williams high performance flooring brand to be represented well throughout the nation.
We've been with Sherwin-Williams for over 50 years. Throughout that, they have always stood behind us. If we have a problem, they're always there to back it and help us through it.
I would absolutely recommend this training. It's one of the better ones I've been to. There's a lot of hands-on stuff that you don't see sometimes in other trainings.
I would say come out to this training ASAP.